guys, welcome back to my channel. So if you don't know already, my name's Melissa and I'm back. I know I haven't posted for a week, but you know what it is, I don't want to half-ass it. Like, I don't want to half-ass a video and just put it out there for nothing. I really want to put my effort into these videos, and if I'm not feeling 100%, then I'm not going to half-ass it. So I've been looking forward to this video. I've been getting new products to show you guys, and I'm really excited to show you. So yeah, let's get into it. This is going to be a video about my July favourites. I know it's a little bit late, but I think I'm going to be okay. I know we're getting near to like August now, but we can do it. So the first product that I want to show you is actually what I've got on right now. This. I love it so much. This is from Makeup Revolution, I Heart Revolution. If you guys follow my channel for a long time and you know me, like you follow my Instagram and stuff, you know I love I Heart Revolution and Makeup Revolution. I just love the fact that they're so affordable and the products they bring out are just so good. Like, it's crazy. So this is their new palette. It's called Sprinkles. Look at it. How gorgeous is it? So this is the brand new palette called Sprinkles, and I picked it up yesterday and I've already swatched it. I'll put some swatches up on the screen, and I've already done a little video on how I got this makeup look. So I don't know if that's going up first or after this, not sure, but this is the palette. Look how beautiful. I love it. Little sprinkles on the top. And are you ready for these colours? Are you ready for these colours? Look at them. How gorgeous are these colours? The only thing about this palette is there's no matte shades. So I find it hard to get a crease. I always start my crease off with like a nice nudie brown or like peachy colour, but there's no matte shades. But the shimmers are gorgeous, and if you haven't seen my swatches, you need to, because this palette is beautiful. My second favourite, I'm going to stay with makeup and then I'm going to move on to other things. So the second favourite is actually a new brow product that I've just picked up recently as well. I always have used the Precisely My Brow Pencil from Benefit Cosmetics, and I've always used Anastasia Dip Brow and Brow Wiz. But you know what? These are not cheap. This is not cheap to keep buying, and I constantly have to keep buying brow products. And I just wanted to try something a little bit different, and this one is by Maybelline, and it's the Brow Precise. And I'm not gonna lie, I really love it. It's really good. I've used it today and I used it yesterday, and I'm really happy with it. It really stays in place. It's a very fine pencil. You get a little spoolie on that end, and then you get your pencil on this end. I just wanted to find a cheaper alternative, and a drugstore one. The next makeup products are from Gerard Cosmetics, and I received these in a PR package like a week or two ago, and I really love these products. This one is called the Starlet palette, the Honeymoon palette, and it's this it's bronzer, blusher and another blusher, and I love the bronzer and the blusher. I've actually got them on now. Well, I haven't got the blusher on, but I've got the bronzer on, and they are so good. It's like a really nice matte bronze. It doesn't look chalky, it doesn't look bad, it just looks really summery and light. It's not too thick, it's not too heavy. It's so good. And I just love the packaging. I think it's really cute. And then the other product from Gerard Cosmetics is it's called a Star Powder Highlighter, and it's in the shade Grace. And I actually thought I wouldn't like it because it's quite light. I'm going to show you guys how light it is. But you know what? It's really pretty. Really pretty. I love it so much, and I'm obsessed with it. It's really nice. I didn't think I'd like it. I thought it was a little bit light, but I love it so much. Another product that I just wanted to try, and it's a really old product that I used to use and I stopped using it, and I noticed that my mascaras just weren't giving me the length and the the look that I wanted. Like I could put mascara on and then look at myself later and I'd be like, I haven't got anything on. And I was just like, what did I used to use? And I remember that I used to use the Colossal Big Shot by Maybelline. So I decided to pick this up again and I love it. It's so good. I have it on now. It's very good. Like, it's very thick. It lengthens your lashes. It really lengthens your lashes and it really kind of gives them thickness. Really like makes them thick. And you could like get away with this. Like, you don't need false lashes. So, and I'm all about that at the moment. So this is a really, really good mascara and it's not pricey either. Another makeup product is just the fact, I guess it's just the fact that obviously I'm pregnant and my skin has been a little bit dull, and I've been getting these real bad redness under my eyes, and I was just like doing all my concealer and it just wasn't going. So I thought, what about a little bit of colour correcting? And I really love this. This is saving me at the moment. This is called the Lasting Perfection. I don't know what number it's in, but it's green. But it balances out red tones. And this is by Collection. It's so good. Again, it's really affordable. And I like to just apply some under my eyes and a little bit like where my redness is, which I get it here at the moment and here. And it just brightens everything up. It's just so good. Love this product. And then the last makeup product, no, two makeup products that I have recently, well, I've had that one a little longer, but this one, I've recently just got this because I remembered how much I love it, and I need a foundation for when I'm tanned and when I'm not, because at the moment I'm kind of trying to make the light one work when I'm tanned and like blending it in, and it just doesn't look right. Like, I need two different foundations and one in between. So this one is for the one that when I'm tanned, and this is by Wet n Wild, the Photo Focus foundation, and it's in the shade Desert Beige, and this is definitely the best foundation at the moment that's working for my skin. I have it on at the moment. It holds up really well. It's really good. It's not matte. It's not like dewy. It's just really comfortable wear, and I just love it. And I love the fact that it brings like a little spatula, like a spoon, and it allows you to apply it to your face so much easier. So love you, love you, love you. And then the last makeup product that I'm going to share with you guys, which I kind of shared with you I think in a few videos ago, but this is just a massive favourite of mine. This is the MAC Prep and Prime Fix Plus. This spray is so good. I've repurchased it probably 3 or 4 times now, and I'm going to keep doing it. It is a little bit expensive, I guess, but it's just so good. It's so good for priming your face before makeup and just maybe like splashing yourself when you're just feeling a little bit like hot and bothered, which I am now, so it's just so good. It's not too strong. It doesn't leave a weird smell. It doesn't get down my throat. Whereas I was telling you guys in another video, this one that I was sent in a PR package, which is the Slay All Day Gerald Cosmetics, really nice, leaves your skin feeling so good, but it's too strong for me. When I don't know if it's gone pregnant, but when I spray it, it gets down my throat and it makes me choke for like 10 minutes. So I'm just not about that. I prefer something that works, but that's kind of just natural and not so smelly. This one is not the coconut version. I've heard that the limited edition coconut version is really good and I want to try that, but this is just my holy grail. I love this. Moving on to, well, one hair product I want to show you. So moving on to kind of body care and hair. This is my little saviour at the moment. So I don't know if you'll notice throughout my videos, but I've just dyed my hair because my roots were coming through and they were just, I just don't like my natural colour. I just don't. My mum does and so many other people do, and I'm just like, a little while ago I was like, do you know what, I'm pregnant, I'm going to let my natural hair come through and see what happens, see if I like it. And I kind of got to about here and I hated it. I just don't look myself. It just looks dull and grey and I just don't like it. I like to have, this is like my colour, I like to have dark hair. So anyway, my hair has got unbelievably thick since I've been pregnant. Like, I'm not kidding. I kind of had issues with thin hair before. I was always like a little bit self-conscious about it. My hair has grown so much. I can't even believe how much my hair's grown since I've been pregnant. And my hair is so thick and also really, really shiny. And what's going on is the fact that because it's so thick, because my hair's so thick, when I straighten it and stuff, it actually looks funny. Like it looks like, it just looks frizzy and crazy, and it doesn't look sleek. So I found this is the Heat Protection Shine Mist, but it also adds like a sleekness to it, and it's really working for me. I've just blow dried my hair just now. I haven't put any straightener on it, any curler on it, nothing. Literally, I've just blow dried it, and this is how it is. This is the Heat Protection Shine Mist, so it adds shine to your hair, but it also calms it down. Like, it calms it down and it stops it being so crazy. So this is a really, really good product. I love it. This is quite new to me, and I blooming love it. It's so good. This is so good. I saw it on Instagram and I was like, I want one. I want to try it. I just want to see what the hype's about. I don't know if you've seen it on Instagram, but people are, and YouTubers, they're using one of these to take their cleanser off, and I love it. It's so good. So I'm going to show you the two products. So when I put my cleanser on my face, I use this to kind of scrub it in, but when you rinse it under the sink, because you can wash it, etc., you just wipe it away and it's gone. And it's just so much easier than getting soap in your eyes and just all that faffing around with a towel. It works so good, and I think this was like £1 off eBay, and I'm so glad I got it. It's so damn good. And literally you just rinse it, pop it on the side and wash it, and it's ready for another day. So the cleanser that I'm using at the moment is because my skin has just broken out lately. Don't know why, probably hormones, I'm not sure, but my skin has kind of broken out a bit, and I was just in Boots and I thought I'm going to go back to one of my oldies. This is the Soap and Glory cleanser. This one is the Fab Pore Purifying Foam Cleanser. So it's got pore shrinkage in it, cool capsule, soothe technology and witch hazel. For clean, clear and healthy looking skin, and it's for oily combination skin, which is exactly what my skin is. So I've been using this. I only got this yesterday, but I've used this before, so I can tell you about it. It's really, really, really good. It really does give you that cooling effect. Like when you apply it to your face, it really gives you that beautiful cooling effect, and it leaves your skin feeling so clean and soft, and it's not harsh on you. It's just such a nice cleanser, and I really recommend it to you guys if you've got oily combination skin. It's really worked wonders for me. So this is the product if you want to screenshot it. I love Soap and Glory. Love them. Talking of Soap and Glory, the last body product is this. Now, my skin has been getting really dry lately, and I've got that thing that they call lizard legs, where it's just really flaky and dry, and I don't like it. So I decided to pick up an old favourite of mine, and this is the body scrub. This is the Sugar Crush body scrub by Soap and Glory. Oh my god, it's so good. Literally, it really scrubs into your skin and it smells amazing. Honestly, it's so good. It's like this really thick scrub. Oh my god. If I could explain the smell, you need to smell this. Like, just go in your local Boots and smell this. You will get it. It's so good. Beautiful. And I love it. I use it in the shower about 3 times a week, and it's working wonders. And then the last two products I'm going to show you is, basically I was going to get what is it called now? Baby brain. Microdermaplaning? Is it microdermaplaning? Something like that. I'll put it on the screen when I find it out. I think it's called microdermaplaning, where they get rid of like the extra hair on your skin and just make your skin really clear. But since I got pregnant, I just decided against it, and I just it's gone out the window. So I grabbed these. These are the little razors that you get for your eyebrows. These were literally from eBay, I think for like £2. And I'm going to do a video on it. You basically just get one. You have to be very, very gentle with them. And you just literally like grab it and just do that like against your skin. And it takes the little, what's it called? Peach fuzz. It takes a little peach fuzz away, and they're so good. Honestly, they're really, really good. But you have to be really careful with them and take your time with them. Like, please don't, like, if you do use them, please try not to cut yourself. Another product is fragrance. So it's summer now, and I like to smell kind of like a light florally smell. That's what my smell is in the summer. That's what I like. And this is the Daisy Dream by Marc Jacobs. I don't have much left. Well, I do, but it's running out. But this is such a nice scent. I love it so much. It's like my signature scent at the moment. It's so nice. I always try and swap them around a little bit, like my perfumes. I have Jimmy Choo, I have Alien, I have Decadence. I have quite a lot of Marc Jacobs ones, but I really love this for like spring, summertime. It's so good. And then the last product I want to show you guys is my Celine. I love them. These are my go-to glasses that I wear running errands, for barbecues, whatever you want. I just love them. And you know what's so good about them is when you've got no makeup on, they cover your face and it just looks great. And they're just easy, and they're just so nice. They're like a tortoise shell, but they're just so nice. I love them so much. Oh, one more product I want to show you, because this is kind of nothing to do with makeup. This is a favourite of mine at the moment for July, because I've just really been on my phone a lot because I've just been resting so much, like because of the pregnancy and stuff. So this product is something that Liam, I think me and Liam we got one each. I think it was like last year, but I've only just started using it. Well, I should really be using it all the time. But I don't know what brand. I think the brand is called Orky. Basically, it's a portable charger for your phone. So you stick your charger in there, plug it into your phone, and you press this little button, and it brings up some blue lights and tells you like how much battery you've got. If you keep this on full charge and take it away with you in your bag, it's just so easy. It's so simple to use. And then what you do to charge it is just literally put a plug on the end, like an Apple plug or something, pop it in, and you can just charge it and take this wherever you go. It's just so handy, and I've been loving it lately. So that's my July favourites. I really hope you guys enjoyed. Please let me know of any products that you guys are using, because every time I watch these kind of videos, I always get my phone out and get the notes out and start jotting down what everyone else has got, because I just love trying products. Like, I love it. So if you have any recommendations for anything that I've mentioned, or you use these products and you just want to tell me something about them, then just let me know down below. And if you haven't, please subscribe. It would mean so much to me, and follow my social media. And yeah, I'll see you in another video, guys. Bye.